Huh.
Yay! 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 Yay!
Are you a princess, Annabelle? Grammy wants to know.
Candy. Favorite.
That's your favorite?
That's mine. That's mine. That's mine.
Yes.
That's yours.
That's mine.
Yeah.
Guys,
Okay, you drive.
this.
Yep, push the pedal and it goes.
Guys,
Push.
push
Yeah, you gotta push the pedal so it goes.
pedal. Push pedal.
You gotta push it with your foot. Inside. Gotta get in the car and push the pedal with your foot.
Foot.
Yep. Get in there and sit down.
Push this. Right. We.
Yep, and you go ride wee. Okay, get in. Push the pedal with your foot.
Guys.
Yep.
Guys, this one heavy.
It's a pretty car.
Nice.
Yes, it's nice. Grammy says it's a pretty car. Can you tell Grammy thank you?
Yay!
You're welcome.
Yay!
You're welcome.
Wait. Peggy. Peggy cars. Peggy cars. Peggy nice cars. Nice cars. Nice cars.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes, Annabelle. Grammy asked you if your car has princesses on it.
Thank you.
Does it have princess?
Does it have princesses on your car?
Thank you. I thank you.
Really?
Thank you.
Is that your favorite?
Favorite. Seat. Seat. Mine. Be careful.
Wait for her to get in.
Be careful.
I know. I've got it in reverse, so if she does, she's going to go backwards.